Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix your drag and drop not working in your Windows 10 or 11. I will show you guys 4 to 5 effective solution to fix this problem. So make sure you watch this entire video. First go to the Windows side, type the change user account control settings, open that and here you can select to this. Then simply click on the OK, then give the permission and you can see your problem is fixed or not. And if not, go to the Windows side, type at the registry editor, open it, open up the HK local machine, open up the software, and now here you just look for the Microsoft. So now you can just expand it and now here look for the Windows. So just keep scrolling down until you find the Windows and just expand it. Now here you will see the current control or current version. So you can expand it and here you have to just search for the policies. So you have to just keep scrolling down until you find the policies, and when you find it just double click on that. Here you will see the system. Just click on that and here on the right hand side you have to just look for the enable LUA. So you need to just right click on that and simply click on the modify. So now here this small box was open and in this small box you have to just type the value which is 0. So if there is any value you can give its value to 0, click on the OK and then it will ask you for the restart. So you can simply restart your PC and there is 90% chances your problem is fixed. So sometimes your problem is not fixed. After this solution, you can go to the Windows search, type the CMD and run as administrator. Now give the permission. Now here you can just type the SFC space forward slash scan now. So guys, once you type that, just hit the enter. Now it will scanning for your all Windows files, and if there is any corrupted files, then this built-in function can fix them automatically. So you just need to wait for it until this verification process was completed to 100%. Then you just need to restart your PC and your problem is fixed. And guys, this is how you can fix this problem. And if you found this video helpful, so please like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.